Dear students, welcome to this session. In this session, I will discuss AVL tree. The AVL is an expansion for Adelson, Welsky, and Landis. The name AVL due to the tree is invented by the three authors Adelson, Welsky, and Landis. So before discussing that AVL tree, what is the problem in that binary search tree? What is the drawback of the binary search tree? So the binary search tree is specifically designed for searching a element in log n time. So if you are constructing the binary search tree for the given elements, and if you are doing the binary search on that binary search tree, by default it will do the binary search, so that we will get that element in log n time. So the complexity will be what more efficient than the linear search. Linear search is a O of n, but the binary search is a log n. O of what? Log n. So this tree is specifically designed for what? The binary search. But this is not the true for all the cases of input. This is not the true, that is, we will not get that log n complexity for all the kinds of the input in the binary search tree. This is because, for example, if you are considering these elements 15, 25 and 35 and 45 and 55. These are my elements, okay, 20, 15, 25, 35 and 45, 55. So these elements are given as an input to me. Okay, so I am going to construct the binary search tree. Okay, the construction of the binary search tree can be done in the log n time. Okay, actually that also is depending on the input. Okay, so now we are going to construct the binary search tree, then we have to do that binary search. Suppose if this is the input, that is the input is already in that sorted order or ascending order or descending order. When we start constructing the binary search tree, that is 15 will be the root, and then what? 25 is greater than the 15, so what it will be? That right of the 15, so 25. Next to what? 35 greater than 15, greater than 25, so it will be right. And then 45 greater than 15, greater than 25, greater than 35 here. And then 55 again, what? Right of that 45, 55. See that this is a binary search tree for this input, if this is the sequence of input. So my input is in order. Okay, when we construct the binary search tree, again it is looking like, it is not like what the binary tree. Again it is looking like what the linear linked list, correct? Because the elements are, all the elements are what exist in the single line. So in this case, what will be the height of the tree? Your search is depending on height of the tree, correct? Because the search will go only in depth, maximum height. The maximum height is given as what? The log n. Okay, but in this case in this case the height of what? The tree, binary search tree, is what? Minimum height is a log n. The maximum height is what? For binary tree, it is a n minus 1. So 5 elements are there. Here the height is what? 4. Okay, so again if you start doing the binary search, for example 35 or 55, if you want to search, means what? It will go on worst case what? 55. It will not go what? The left side. It will always goes to what? The right side. Again what? The searching on this tree is similar to what? Likely to what? The linear search. Okay, so this is the main drawback. That is, when we construct that binary search tree for the sorted ordered element, we will get that height of that tree equivalent to what? Here it is a 4. actually what it is, the n minus 1 for n input, n ordered input. Okay, and your binary search tree is having the more advantage only if it is having the minimum height. So this is what the maximum height. Okay, so what is the minimum height of the binary search tree or binary tree is what? H minimum actually what? Log n base 2. Okay, so your binary search tree is a best binary search tree only what if that height of that binary search tree is what? Log n. Are you clear? If that height is that n minus 1 is the worst binary search tree. So even if you apply the binary search, you will get the log, you will not get the log n complexity, you will get what? O of n complexity. Simply the binary search is what? Complexity is equivalent to what? Height of that binary search tree. So if you are constructing the binary search tree with the n minus 1 height in this case, okay, so we will get the worst complexity. There is no use of what? Constructing the binary search tree. That is the main drawback. So in that case, what you have to do means you have to what? Change the algorithm for the insertion. If you are not receiving that in the order, you will get definitely like this. If it is not in that order, then we may get somewhat what the balanced what binary search tree, then we can apply it. Okay, so to overcome this, so our binary tree is more efficient only if the height is equivalent to what? Log n. Okay, the high binary search tree is a worst when what the height is what? N minus 1. When the height will become n minus 1 means if that input is in the order, either ascending or descending. If in the descending order means what? The elements will always be inserted at what? Left side. Again it is equivalent to what? N minus 1 height. So this is that minimum height required. Okay. So again there is no direct use for that binary search tree. To overcome this what problem, okay, these authors Adelson, Welsky and Landis modified the modified the binary search tree, okay, to a AVL tree. Okay, it is nothing but what? The height will be balanced. Okay, the height always will be what? The log n. Like that they have modified that algorithm, that is insertion algorithm in that binary search tree. They have released that a new tree like what? AVL tree. It is simply called as the height balanced binary search tree. AVL tree is what? Height balanced binary search tree. Height balanced binary search tree or self-balancing binary search tree. Somebody will say that self-balanced what? Binary search tree. Self-balancing means what? Whenever we are inserting a new data, okay, automatically the height will be adjusted. Like that the insertion algorithm is modified. Here simply what it is inserting right side. Na? So when we are trying to insert the 35, automatically height will be adjusted. So that what the height will become, for the 3 element height will be what? Only the log 3 is 1 or 2. So the height will be 1 like this. Okay, so when we are inserting the 3, the height is now equal to 2. Okay, but actually by AVL tree what we will do means while inserting the 35, the structure of that binary search tree will be changed. So that it is becoming a binary search tree with height only what? 1. Because log 3 value is equal to what? 1. So that always whatever the input you are inserting, always the height will become what? Log n. So like that it will do that insertion. So that only we are calling that height balanced binary search tree or self-balancing what? Binary search tree. The next simply to define this constraint, we have to say that the binary search tree for any node in that binary search tree the height of that left and then height of that right, the difference, this symbol represent what? Difference. Okay, the difference must be less than or equal to what? 1. Less than or equal to what? 1. So the height of the left, height of the right, the difference is less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 means what? Either 0 or what? 1. It should not go beyond that 1. Okay. If suppose when we are inserting a new element, okay, if the height is not balanced means height of the left or height of the right subtree, okay, left subtree and right subtree, if it is equal to 2 or 3 like that, okay, automatically what the insertion algorithm will balance the height. So that like that we have to design that what the insertion algorithm. Okay, so just we are going to modify the insertion algorithm in the binary search tree. Okay, so after inserting that element, if the height is not balanced, so we need to write the code for what? Balancing the height. Okay, so that only that AVL tree. Okay, so there is no direct use on the binary search tree for insertion for any kind of the input. If you want to do that binary search in the efficient time, okay, you should go for what? The AVL tree. So to understand the AVL tree, we need to learn while inserting that element how that height is going to be what? Balanced. So that logic we have to what? Learn. Okay. So for example, first how to check that a tree is the AVL tree or not. For example, consider this simple tree, that is a 45 and what? 60. Okay, how to check this is that AVL tree or not? Check all the nodes, okay, all the nodes satisfying that AVL property. AVL property is what? Height of the left subtree, height of the right subtree, that difference should be what? Maximum is 1, 0 or 1. Okay, so for here, for this, so that just find the height for what? All the nodes. Height of this node is what? There is no children, so it will be the 0. Correct. So what is the height of this node? So only one child, that is a 1. So this is the height of what? This node. Then you check every node is satisfying the AVL property or not. So here that here when you are considering the 60, okay, the 60 left is what? Minus 1. The 6 is left is minus 1. The right is what? Minus 1. Why we are saying the minus 1 means there is no subtree for the left side. There is no subtree for the right side. In that case, what? That height will be what? Minus 1. So here also what? Minus 1. So the difference between what? This left and right of the 60 is what? 0. Okay. So that what? This satisfying that what? AVL tree. When you are considering the 45 and 60 here, this height is what? That is, this height is 1. That is a left subtree. The left subtree of right subtree of the 45 60, that is a 0. The left subtree of 45 is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay, so here minus 1, here it is 0. So that what? The difference is what? Minus 1 and 0. The difference is equal to what? 1. Okay, so here also what? The height is here that it is balanced. Here also what? That height is what? Balanced. Okay, so we need to check that every node height is balanced or not. So this is also balanced and this is also balanced. So it is a balanced binary search tree. So it should satisfy the binary search tree condition. It is a binary search tree only. Only what? The height should be balanced in that. Then it will be called as what? The AVL tree. Okay. So consider another case, that is a 45 and what a 60 and then the 25, whether it is a balanced or not. Okay, just to check, find the height. The height of this 0, height of this is 0, height of this is what, 1. Okay, here this height is that -1 -1. Okay, so that difference is what, 0. So disbalanced. And here it is a -1 -1, that difference is also what, 0. So this is also what, the balanced. Now you check the 45 is the balanced one or not. Here the left is what, 0. Okay, sorry, right is the 0. Right subtree height is what, 0. Left subtree height is what, 0. So 0 minus what, 0 and 0, the difference will be what, 0. Okay, so that this also what, balanced. So that we can say that a tree is, AVL tree is a balanced search tree. So this given tree is a binary search tree as well as what, it is an AVL tree. Consider another example here, 45 and then 60 and then what, 75. Consider this one. Okay, suppose if we are inserting the element one by one, 45, 60 and 61, 65 like this. Okay, so in this example here the height will be that 0 for this height will be that 1 and this height will be what, 2. Okay, this height will be what, 2. So now you check this whether it is a AVL tree or not. Okay, so whether it is a balanced one or not. So -1 -1. Okay, so it is a balanced one. Okay, because it is the 0. Okay, the next what you consider this one, the left is the 0, the right is what, -1. Okay, so that what, this difference is what, -1 and then what, the 0, the maximum difference is what, 1. So it is also what, the balanced one. When we consider here, this is what, 1, that is a left subtree alone we have to consider, that height is what, 1. Right subtree, there is no right subtree, it is what, -1. Okay, so what is the difference between the left subtree and right subtree height? This is the -1, this height is what, 1. So that difference is what, actually the 2. So that difference should not be the 2. So it means that here this element is not balanced. So here it goes the unbalanced. So it is not an AVL tree. So every node have to be what, balanced. For check whether the node is balanced or not means we need to check the height of the left subtree and right subtree. So that difference should not go beyond that 1. Okay, so here it violates that true, so it is not a height, the height of that 45 is not balanced, so it is not a balanced such a tree. Okay, next we will discuss another example, 45, okay, and then 25 and then 55 and then 50 and then 52. Check if it is not the binary search tree, you have to try to check what, which, due to which node the tree is not balanced. Okay, which node is goes at unbalanced, like that you have to identify. So for initially we are drawing like this. Okay, after that by looking the tree itself you can understand that what the tree is a balanced or not. Just you find the height of the every node. Height of is what, 0. This height is 1. This height is actually 2. This height is actually 0. And this height is what, leaf node. This and this is a leaf, longest leaf what, 1, 2 and then what, 3. This height is what, 3. Okay, So now we have identified the height. You check the node 0, this node left and right minus 1, leave it. Okay, this is balanced. Come to this. For this node 0 minus 1, maximum difference is 1, so leave it. And this node, here height is 1, no need to look at all other nodes. Left subtree and right subtree node height. So left subtree 50, that height is 1, here it is a minus 1. So 1 minus 1, what is the difference? Okay, so which is equivalent to what? 2. Okay, so difference between that 1 minus 1, which is equivalent to what? 2. So here the height between the left subtree and right subtree is 2. So that what? This is not balanced. So this is balanced and this is balanced, and then what? This is not balanced. Similarly, when you compare here, okay, this is 2 and 0. What is the difference? That is a 2. So this is also what? Not balanced. So once if you identify one unbalanced node, then it will not be a AVL tree. See another example, 45 and then 25 and 55 and 46, 47 and 75 and 60. Now this is looking like what is a balanced. This is what? Looking like a balanced, but actually when you try to find height 0, height 1, this height is 0, and this height is the longest one, that is a 1, 2, and this height is what? And this height is 0, and this height is what? 1, 2, and then what? 3. Okay, so here what? This is the balanced one, and this is what? Also the balanced one, 0 minus 1. And here when you come to this leaf, this is what? The balanced. When you come to this one, what? So always we need to check from the leaf, okay, balanced or not. 0 and 1, okay, this is also what? Balanced. 0, 1, what is the difference? 1. So this is also what? Balanced. Okay, and here 0 and 2, this is not the balanced. Okay, so be clear, the balanced meaning is what? The left height and right height should be the same like this. So we can have that the difference is what? 1. Okay, so 1 less than what? Another one, like that. Okay, balanced means what? Not perfectly balanced. Balanced means what? At most what? 1. Okay, the difference between the left height and right height is what? At most what? 1. That can have. So that only what? That AVL tree. So now here this height and this height is what? To 0 and 2, there is a 2 difference. So it is not a balanced tree. So this is an AVL tree, this is an AVL tree, but this is not, these 3 trees are not an AVL tree. So what AVL tree will do means, while inserting an element, okay, it will identify which a node goes unbalanced, and it will do that balancing of what? That tree. Means that up to this, before inserting the 52 here, the tree is a balanced one only. Okay, when we are adding the new element 52, that goes what? Unbalanced. Which one will goes unbalanced? Means 55. So the 55 will be what? Balanced first. After that it will check whether what all the nodes are the balanced or not. Okay, similarly what? While inserting a new element, it will check it. If it is not balanced, it's what? It will balance it. So that is the concept of what? AVL tree. Now we are going to discuss the different cases of what? Unbalancing. Okay, due to the inserting new element, what are the different cases what unbalancing occur, and how to what? Balance it. Okay, we'll discuss the different cases of unbalancing occur, okay, while inserting a new element in that AVL tree. So case 1, okay, consider that example, so that first you understand with that example, then we will discuss that algorithm for it. Okay, so 45 and then 25. These are my elements. Okay, this is my what tree, already existing tree. Okay, now I'm trying to insert the 15. Okay, so insert 15. Insert 15. So I'm going to what, insert the 15 here. Okay, so here which position is for the 15 in that existing tree? 15 is less than the 45, go left. 15 is less than the 25, go left. So it should be inserted at the left of that 25, correct? So this is the position for what? The 15, correct? Now when you check up to this, the tree is a balanced one. Okay, the height is what 1, so height is what 0, and this height is what 1. But by adding that 15, that tree goes unbalanced, correct? So which node goes to unbalanced due to what? Insertion of the 15 means what? The 25 is not goes to unbalanced, it is balanced. The 45 only what is goes unbalanced. So by inserting the 15, okay, at the left of the left subtree of the 45, okay, so here the 45 goes unbalanced due to what? We are inserting the new element at the left side of what? The left subtree. So we have inserted 15 the left to the left subtree of the 45, and then what? The left side of what? 15. So that first case is identified as what? The unbalancing occurred due to what? Left of the left subtree. Okay, so left of what? Left subtree. Okay, that is the first case, left of what? Left subtree. So what is the solution? So what is the solution? Rotate right. That is the what? Solution. So the unbalancing occur, okay, due to inserting a new element at the left of the left subtree. Then that solution is rotate right. What is rotate right means? If the 45 goes unbalanced, correct? So just to remember this symbol, rotate right, like this. Okay, so this is what action to be performed, rotate like this. Rotate like this means what? The tree will become what? Just if you put this 45 and if you rotate, okay, so the tree will goes like this. That means the 25 will become the root. Okay, the 25 will become root. The 45 will become what? Right of the root. And then what? The 15 will become as it is. Okay. So just imagine if you are rotating like this. So diagrammatically you understand this one. Okay, rotate right, what will be the final one? So in that algorithm I will explain. Okay, so here in the diagram you understand, if the unbalancing occur due to inserting the left of the left subtree, new element in the left of the left subtree, the solution is what? Rotate right. That is a case 1. Okay, understood? Next, case 2. So consider this example, 45 and 25, and we are going to insert the 35. Insert what? 35. So up to this is the existing tree is a binary search tree and it is an ABL tree, balanced binary search tree. Now insert 35 means the position for the 35 is what? Less than the 45, and then what? Greater than the 25. So that what? The position is 35 position is this one. Okay. So here this situation is called as, again what? By inserting the 35 which goes unbalanced 45. So The 45 goes unbalanced due to inserting the 35 in the left subtree. The left subtree, in which side you have added that? Right side. So, due to inserting the new element, right of the left subtree. Okay, here left of the left subtree. Left subtree is the 25. In that left subtree, you have added on the right side. So, that is the case 2. That is inserting a new element right of what? The left subtree. That is the second case. Okay. So if this situation is occur, that is unbalancing occur, okay, due to what? Inserting a new element right side of what? Left subtree. Okay, left subtree is 25, and what? Right side you have added, and what is the solution? The solution here, we need the two rotations, double rotations. What is the two rotation means? Here actually only one rotation, the 45, the root is get what? Rotated. Okay. Here that is that root 45 goes unbalanced. That node what? Unbalanced node is get rotated right side. For this, the left subtree we have added na, so that the left have to be rotated on right side first. Sorry, left side first. That is the 1. Okay, so the left subtree should be rotated left side first, then rotate that unbalanced, that is a root right side. So after rotating this, then you rotate what? This, that is a 2. Okay, so I need the two rotations. Okay, that is rotate what? 2 times we need. One is what? The left subtree we have added right of left subtree, that should be rotated left side, then we have to rotate on right side. Okay, so after that 1, the solution is what? If you rotate this side, this will become 45, and the 35 will become here, and the 25 will become the left of that 35. So this is after what? Rotating 1. Okay, again what will happen is, I need to do the second rotation, so that this will be rotated now. So this is rotated first, and this will be rotated now. Okay, so now what is happening? 35 and 25 and 45. It means that after that second rotation we are getting this result. So this is your final result. Okay, so we need the two rotations. One is what? Left subtree to left side. Okay, and that main root and that right side. This action usually called as right double. This is usually called as what? Right double. Right double means don't consider right side double time like that. Okay, so right double is action name. What is that action is what? Rotate left first. Okay, left subtree, and then what? Rotate the root right side. Okay, so that is that action. Right double means 1 and 2. Remember this action. Okay, that is first and next, like this, 1 and 2. Okay, and right, rotate right means what? Only 1. Okay, so remember this. Okay, right double means what? Left side 1 time, that is left subtree have to be rotated left side, and the main have to be rotated on right side, like this. This is the corresponding what? Action for this one. This is the corresponding what? Solution for this one. Okay, now case 3. The case 3, consider here 45 and 65. This is that existing one. Okay, 45 and 65. So now I wanted to insert 75. Insert what? 75. So the position for the 75 is what? Right side. Okay, here. Okay. So now this situation, like the unbalancing occur for the 45. Okay. Due to inserting a new element, what? 75 at what? Right subtree and what? Right side. So right of what? Right subtree. Okay. So that is the third case. The unbalancing occur due to what? Adding a new node at what? Right side of what? Right subtree. Okay, right side of what? Right subtree. So what is the solution for this? What is the solution for this? Simply which one have to be rotated? The root have to be rotated on what? Left side. That's all. Okay. So this needs to be what? Rotated on left. So the solution is what? Rotate left. Okay. The solution is what? Rotate left. It means that after inserting, after rotating this, that 65 will become that root and then 45, okay, and then that 75. So this tree will become what? This one. So by the insertion time itself, it will get what? Balanced. Okay. So next consider the next case. Case 3. Case 4. Only 4 cases. So consider this example 45 and the 65. Now I wanted to insert 55. So that is the last case. So existing is the balance to 1. I wanted to insert the 55. Position for the 55 is what? Greater than the 45, less than the 65. So the position is what for the 55 is what? This. So due to inserting that 55 to this tree, which goes unbalanced means what? The 45. So due to what? Inserting a new element on right side. Okay, right subtree we have added the new element. In the right subtree, which direction, in which side we have added? In the left side. So that what? The last case is called as inserting a new element in the left side of what? Right subtree. So that what will be the solution? Double rotation. Okay, but double rotation means what? Now this is left side we have to rotate. So it means that I need to rotate this one. Okay, but before rotating this one, I need to rotate that right subtree on right side. So the right subtree have to be rotated on right side first. That is action 1. After that, what? The main rotate right. Okay, sorry, rotate left. Okay, so rotate left have to be done after rotating the right on right side. Okay, that's all. So that after that action 1, okay, we'll get what? 45 and then 65, sorry, 55. If you rotate this one, 55 will become here. So 55 will become here, and then right side what? Again 65. This is the 55. So this is after what? Executing the step 1. So next to what? I need to do this rotation, the left side. Left side we are rotating here. The 55 is there. The 55 will become root, and 45 is the left of that root, and 65 will be that right of the root. So this is after what? Second rotation. So I need the double rotation. Okay, so we are going to name it as what? First case is what? Right of right means what? Rotate left. Now what? Left double. Previously what? Right double, like that we have named it. Okay, left double. So this name is as what? Left double. That is the action name. Left double does not means that the left side 2 times. Okay, left side we have to rotate. Okay, before that right have to be rotated on right side. So first action is what? The right side have to be rotated. This is the first action, and followed by what? The second one. So left side. Okay, so remember this action. The right side have to be rotated, okay, on right side, and then this have to be done. Okay, but here we need to rotate only what? This side. Before doing this, I need to do this right side, right and right side. So these are the 4 different cases of what? Unbalancing occur due to the inserting a new element. Okay, and then corresponding solution to be done. Okay, for the same 4 cases, we'll see some more complex example. Okay, consider this situation here, 45. Previously only we consider this one, correct? 45, 35, and inserting the right left of what? The left like this. Now consider this. This is the balanced or not. While checking, it is a balanced one. Okay, so if you have a doubt, you just check yourself. Okay, it is a balanced existing part, the balanced binary search tree. Now I wanted to insert 5. Insert 5 means the position for that 5 is what? The left of the 15. Due to what? Adding the 15, okay, which one goes unbalanced? That you have to identify first. Be clear whether that 15 goes unbalanced, not. Whether it 35 goes unbalanced, not. If the 40 is not presented, the 35 goes unbalanced. 40 is presented. So this height is the 1, this height is the 0, the difference is the 1 only. So this is also what? The balanced. But when you go for, only we have to check that parent of the 15, root like this. The next it goes to what? The 45. So now you check that 45, this is the 1, 0, and here this height is becoming what? 2. 0 to what? 2. So now what? Unbalanced. So unbalanced occur here. So this node goes what? Unbalanced. Okay. So which one goes unbalanced means what? 45. Okay. So now find the reason due to which what is the case you have to find it. Which case is this one? Okay, then you apply the corresponding what? Solution. Which case is what? You have added this 45 goes unbalanced. I am going to balance that 45. Okay, so the unbalancing occur for the 45 due to adding the 5 on which side? Left or right? Right side. Sorry, left side. So due to what? Left side. Okay, on the left left subtree. In the left subtree, in which side you have added? Right, left side or right side? Okay, the left side. So this case is identified as what? Left of what? Left. So this case is identified as what? Left of what? Left. Left of left means that solution is what? Rotate left. Okay, so we remember left of left. You can easily remember the cases. Left of left means rotate right. Right of right means what? Rotate left. Right of left, R L, then right double. L R, left double. Okay, that is the thing. So now the case is what? Left of left. Left of left means I need to rotate on right side. So which one should be rotated? Right side. Okay, so in this situation, this height is between these two what? Difference between these two height is what? This is -1 and this is what? 2. The height balance factor is actually the 3. Okay, in this case what will happen? So when we rotate like this, 45 and 55 goes down. Okay, 45 and 55 goes down. Which one will become root 35? So 35 will become what? root and then like this. Okay, and what will happen in the left side of the 35 will be what kept as it is, that is what 15, and the new element is a 5. It is not what the new element is what 5. Okay, it is not 15, so that it will be kept as it is 5. What about that branch 40? The 40 will be what joined on the left side. Okay, this link will be cut. This will be joined to what? The right side. Okay, so right side means what? Which one is come down? The 45 come to the second level. So that what? The 40 will be added as what? Just left of the 45. That's all. Okay, so this additional thing you have to do. Okay, so rotate. So if left of left means the solution is what? Rotate right. Rotate right means what to be done like this, you have to what? Change it. Correct. Another example 45. Now it is a 35. Now 55 or 65, and then it is having that 50, and it is having that 75. Okay, now I wanted to insert 80. So it is a balanced binary search tree. I wanted to insert what? 80. Okay, so in that case, then space for that 80 is right of what? 75. Correct? Greater than 45, greater than 65, greater than 75, and then what? 80. This is the space. And the unbalancing occur. This is balanced, and this is also parent one. 80 parent alone have to be checked. 75 is balanced, and then what? Here 65 is balanced, then goes to this is unbalanced. Okay, so 45 is the unbalanced node. So we got that unbalanced node here. So now what we have to do is, so unbalanced is 45, and what is the case? You added the 85 on right side of the 45. Okay, right side of the 45, and sorry, the right subtree you have added. In the right subtree, left side or right side you added. Okay, right side. So what? Right of what? Right. This is the case. The solution is what? Rotate left. Rotate left. Rotate left means what? This node, this is the unbalanced one. This node should get what? Rotated on left side. Left side after rotating, the 45 and 35 will goes to the next level. So 45 and 35 without changing, it will goes to what? Next level. And the 65 will become that root. Okay, if you are rotating like this, 65 will become the root, and that right side will be kept as it is. Okay, right side of the 65, that is 75. This is that left. Okay, and 75, and then what? 80. And what about this node 50? Okay, so the 50, I actually what? The 45 is added, that's a 50. So this will be cut, and this will be what? Joined in that 45. So that 50 will be joined as what? The right of what? The 45. So what is happening? The 35 35 goes down, and then what? This current left of the 65 will be cut, and it will be joined with what? 55, and the 65 will go one level up. So this is happening. Now it is, if you check this, is that is a balanced binary search tree. Consider another case. Consider another case 45 and then 55, 25, and then 15, 35. So this is the existing and binary balanced binary search tree, that is an NAV tree. Now I wanted to insert the 30. Okay, what is the position for the 30? Less than 45, greater than 25, less than 35. So the position for the 30 is what? The left of the 35. Now that unbalancing occur due to in which node means what? 35 is balanced, and then its parent 25 is also balanced, and when you come to that 45 goes unbalanced. Okay, so this goes what? Unbalanced. And due to and what is the case here is what? The 30 is added on what? Left side of the 45, in the left subtree, the left subtree, right side or left side. Okay, so the left subtree, okay, in the left side or right side. So the 30 is added on what? Right side. So this case is what? Right of what? Left. Okay, so 45 left subtree we have added. Okay, the left subtree we have added the 30 on the right side. So due to that, the 45 goes what? Unbalanced. So the case is what? RL. RL means what? Rotate left. RL means what? Double rotation we need. Double rotation means what? Right double. Right of what? Left means RL means what? Right double. Okay, that is the action. Right double means nothing. Okay, so I have to do two rotation. One is what? Actually the left side, this needs to be what? Rotated. That need to be done as a 2. Before that, what we need to rotate? What? The left subtree on left side. Okay, the left subtree is a 25, that should be rotated on what? Left side. So that have to be done as what? First. Okay, so that first time if you do like this, you will get what? That this 45, and there is no change, 55, and here this have to be rotated on left side. Left side means that 25 and 55 goes down, the 35 will become what? The root. So the 35 will become what? This root here. Okay, so now this is that left of the 35, and then that 25 and 15 goes down. So 25 and what? The 15 goes down. Okay, and what about the 30 means? The 30 will join on what? This side. So this 35 will join, sorry, and the 30 will join on what? This link will be cut and it will be joined on the right side. So that what? Here which node is coming with? 25. So 25, 30 will be added as right of what? 25. So this is after what? The case 1. So this is after the rotation 1. So next I need to what? Rotate to second times. That is a second rotation. The second rotation is nothing but what? This side have to be rotated. It means that the 45 and 55 goes down. Okay, 45 and what? 55. And which one will become root is what? 35. So 35 will become what? Root. Okay, so that what? This will be added as left, and whatever that right side 35 will be joined here, but right side 35 there is no what? Nodes, so that there is no link here. Okay, only the 35 left side will be kept as it is, that is 25 and 15 and what? 30, like this. So the thing is what? If something is there on what? Right side of what? The 35, that will be joined on this side. Okay, but here nothing is there. Similarly, while rotating this side, if this is nothing is there means what? Nothing will be joined on this side. Suppose here 40 is there means what? 40 will be kept as it is. Okay, so after this two rotations, this will be the result. Okay, in the same what the R of L, another situation is that 45 and 25 and 30 55, now 15 and 35. Now if you try to add that 40 position is what actually this side, 40 position is this one. Okay, so here again that situation is what right of that left only, because the 45 goes unbalanced due to adding the new element what insert 40. Okay, due to adding the new element on left subtree, which side you have added? Right side. So right of what? Left. So what? Rotation 1, okay, and rotation 2. Okay, that you have to need. Okay, rotation 1, after rotation 1, that become what? 25 and 15 goes down. Okay, the 35 will be in that position. Okay, and then if 35 is having some left, that will be joined on that side, but 35 is not having any left, so the right of the 35 will be kept as it is, that is 40. Okay, and there is no change in this case, that is 45 and then 55. After that you need to what? Rotate on this side, that is a second rotation. After a second rotation, okay, the 45 and what 55 will come here, and then the 35 will become what? Root. Now what is happening? The 35 wins, since the 35 becoming root, 35 right left will be kept as it is, that is 25 and 15, and whatever on the right side, that will be what? Join in this side. Okay, so here the new node is what? 55. So that what? 40 will be added as the left of what? The 45. Okay, so just it will be joined like this. Okay, in the new node. Okay, that is a solution for what? This side. This both are the same cases. Okay, consider the last case example. Okay, here this is an existing tree. I wanted to insert 50. Okay, the 50 position is what? Left, sorry, right, left, left. So the new position for that what? 50 is what? Left of the 55. Okay, and which node goes unbalanced means what? This node goes unbalanced. Due to which reason means what? You have added the new element right subtree. On the right subtree, which side you have added? The left side. So left of what? Right subtree. So what is the solution is what? Left double. Left double means what? First rotation and second rotation. First rotation means what? Actually we need to rotate this one. Okay, before that this right have to be rotated right side first and then left side. Okay, that is the thing. So after what? 1, that this thing become what? Only we need to do this alteration here. 65 and 75 goes down. Okay, 65 and 75, and which will comes as a tree means 55 will become what? Root. Okay, and this will be joined. And what about the 55, 65 and 75? Okay, there is no right for the 55. If it is there means it will be joined, so that what? Here the 50 will come. Okay, so the children of the 55 we have to consider, since the 50 goes to the root. Okay, we need to consider the children. There is no right for the 55. If it is right is there means it will be joined on the left side, so it will be kept as it is. There is no change in what? This 45 right, this one, and left is what? 25. This is the case after rotating first. Next I need to rotate second rotation. Second rotation is a 45 have to be what? Rotated on this side. The 45 need to be what? Rotated on this side. Okay, So this side what is happening, 45 25 will goes down, 45 and 25. Now what, 55 is becoming root, I need to consider the children of the 55. Since what, the 55 one level go up, so that this will become like this. Now I need to consider the left and right. Right will be what, kept as it is. The left will be what, cut, and it will be joined this direction. So that what, the right 65 and 75, and then here that 50 will be joined on what, this side. Okay, so this is the final bottom after this. Another example for the same left of right. Okay, suppose if we want to insert the 60, okay, the position for the 60 is greater, less and greater. Okay, the position is what, like this. Here I inserted 50, here I inserted 60. Okay, so since we are even if you are inserting this side or this side, the case is the same, because what, due to inserting the 60, which one goes unbalanced means what, the 45. The 45, for the 45 you inserted the 60 on which subtree, right subtree. In the right subtree the 60 is inserted on the left side, or right side means left side. Okay, so further we no need to analyze whether it is a left or right like this. Okay, in that subtree, left side or right side. Okay, so left side means what here, or right side means what, this 75, like that you have to what, analyze. So that what, left of right. Left of right means two rotations. One is this one, the same action as previous, this one. After rotating this one, okay, the 65 and 75 will go one level down, the 55 will become this root, and I need to consider the left and right of the 55. Left, there is no left, and right will be joined here. Okay, so the right means what, 60 will be joined here. Okay, then there is no change in that root, 45 and 25, and then what, 65. So this is what, after what, 1. Next I need to do that second rotation. The second rotation is what, this need to be what, rotated on this side. So that what, 45 25 will become here, and then 55 is root, and this will be like this. And 55 left and right I have to consider. The left there is no, if it is there means it will be joined on this side. So right will be kept as it is. So right is what, 65 and 60 and what, 75. So now the tree is what, balanced. Only I given two examples for the same cases, but only what, 4 cases, and solution is the 4 solution. So I need to check, so which cases is occur, okay, for unbalancing, and what is that a solution that you have to what, implement. Okay, so try to understand that AVL tree. Okay, only we are going to modify that insertion algorithm on that binary search tree by what, identifying the cases and what, applying the solutions. Okay, so try to diagrammatically first you understand that the different cases and solutions, then we will discuss how to what, implement that AVL tree, how to add that algorithms for inserting an element and writing the solutions, that we will discuss separately. So up to this you understand, if the sequence of numbers is given, you should be able to construct what, AVL tree, like that you practice. Okay, if you have that doubt you can ask. Thank you.